Hi, I'm Richa Singh, Vice President at IMV, and we're joining you from the Carestream booth today at the 2024 RSNA conference here in Chicago. And I'm very excited to be here with the Carestream team for the fourth year in a row to be presenting the IMV ServiceTrak Award for Best System Performance in General X-Ray. Team, congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Richa, and thanks again. I'm Jorge Quant, I'm Global Marketing Director, and I'm here with Todd Clegg, our CEO. So Todd, you want to say a few words?
Yeah, love to. I want to thank the IMV team, first of all, for giving us this award. It means a lot to us, especially to win it 4 years in a row. I think for us, this award, because it's a survey of all of our customers and users and their experience, it really means a lot to show that we care about our customers. We're really focused on them. I mean, we're here at RSNA, and we go around and we see lots of different products and things that people are doing. But what I think differentiates Carestream is that we really care about the voice of our customer. We really focus on exactly what our customers need and value in their products, and we really focus on delivering that to them. And I think that shows in this award, winning it for a fourth year in a row. So I want to really thank you for presenting this to us, and let you conclude for us.
Thank you. My name is Henrik Boots. I'm the CEO for IMV, and I'm very honored to be the first one to congratulate you, now the fourth year in a row. You, the whole team at Carestream, is a fantastic achievement. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.